Hello and welcome to our introduction tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the main functions needed to create a scene in OSG Composer. For this demonstration I'm going to go with the default 2D ground. The first thing we need to do is to import a geometry into the scene. As you can see, OSG Composer supports the import of different CAD file formats such as SketchUp, Rhino, SolidWorks, Step, ArcGIS, and many more. The first geometry I'm going to import is going to be a SolidWorks computer desk. By default, the geometry will be imported into the center of the world. Now I can easily navigate the scene with the middle mouse button for panning, with the right mouse button for zooming, and with the left mouse button for rotating. As you can see, the disk was imported with its tree structure maintained. This is a very powerful feature in our application. With this feature, I can select any part of this drawer, for example, hold down the Shift key and double clicking the drawer will take me up the tree one level per double click. So holding down the Shift key again and double clicking, now I have selected the whole drawer assembly. I can change the name of the assembly. Then I can close the drawer using the move 2D function. To exit any selected function, I can either select the select button here or hit the escape key on my keyboard. I want also to change the look of the desktop by giving it a little bit of transparency here in the properties window. Okay, I'm satisfied with my desk. So next I'm going to import a SketchUp chair. Obviously the chair was drawn with a different scale than the desk. So I can scale it down using the uniform scale function. Scale down the chair, then snap it to ground, then put it in place using the move 2D function. For my next geometry, I'm going to import a computer screen. Now with the screen being selected, using the snap to object function, I can snap the screen to the desktop in just one step. OSG Composer is unique for being fun, easy, and yet powerful. The last geometry I'm going to import is going to be a keyboard. Again, the keyboard will be imported into the center, and being selected, I can snap it to the desktop. I want to center the keyboard to the screen, and now I'm satisfied with the location of my keyboard, so I can freeze it. I can freeze and unfreeze the keyboard. By freezing the keyboard, I can no longer move it using any of the draggers. And as you can see also, the freeze icon will be added to the keyboard in the tree. I want to demonstrate other features like picking this case, hold down the Shift key and double click. Now I have selected the whole case part. I can change the name of the part, then I can hide and show the case. OSG Composer supports also the creation of duplicates of objects. I can select this computer screen, then go and create a copy. A new copy of the screen was added to the tree. Now with the new copy being selected, I can move it, and now I have two screens in my scene. OSG Composer supports different formats for sharing a scene. I can share my scenes in any of these formats, such as OBJ, U3D, Collada, and 3PDF, which I'm going to use for this demonstration. So now it's exporting my scene into a 3PDF file. Done. I'm going to open the PDF file, and now I have a 3PDF file that I can share with others. That's it for now. In future tutorials, we are going to talk about other exciting features in OSG Composer. Thank you.